Hello, I'm Jakob Bornecrantz. I work for Collabora. I currently have more slides than I have minutes, so this is going to be very much click, click, click. And yes, so I'm going to talk about XR and things like that, and what is XR. That's basically a common name for all of the realities that they are coming up with nowadays. So virtual reality, augmented reality, mixed reality. And so if you want to do things like that, like how do you do virtual reality on Linux and things like that, and you have, or in general, you have the open source things, OpenHMD, OSVR, and you also have OpenVR or Steam VR, and you have Oculus, but there's a problem, there's OpenStacks, and then there's ClosedStacks, and these are all different APIs, and people don't really understand. People don't want to write through the different APIs, so you have this situation where people are writing towards a whole bunch of different APIs, so it's much better if you just have one API, which is OpenXR, and what you need to know is this is bad and this is good. You should go for OpenXR, and that's it. And OpenXR is a API that the Kronos working group is working on, and hopefully sometime it will be released. But we're also working on that inside of Collabora. We're both helping up with the specification, but also working on a runtime for that. And what is Kronos? That's an industry group that does OpenGL Vulkan, so you've probably heard of it. It's a very foreign thing, unfortunately, for FLOSS people, except for maybe a few of us here that actually has gone to meetings. So they just basically push out APIs and then we implement them, and then people can actually use our platforms because now there's a common thing that everybody can target. So that's not really good, but what we at Collabora, and especially me, I want to build a community around for XR things like virtual reality and augmented reality, a place where there can be a lot of code and a lot of libraries and a lot of shared things that people can work with and build up both, just hacking on inside a garage where basically modern everyday VR started out with, but also making products or just playing around or things like that. Basically becoming sort of a little bit of Mesa for XR and virtual reality. And to that end, we are hosting a Hackfest in Cambridge, UK, at the end of October, just before ELEC for those people. I know this is kind of a short notice, but if you want to join, please contact me. You can have you have my contact details on the first page, or you just follow the Collabora tweet, or there will probably be something there, or look at the OpenHMD events page. There's some information. I was very fast, but thank you all. And also Collabora is hiring, so please come talk to any of us that are here. So thank you.